Good morning, children. How are you? I think you all are very happy. In the first part of Unit 4 video, you have learned the poem Once I Saw a Little Bird. But in the next part, it is a story part in which I am going to tell you a story of a bird named Mittu and the yellow mango, a kind of fruit which you get during the summer season. And all of you like it because it is very juicy and it is very sweet in taste. Now, children, let's come to this part of story. I am going to read this story. You will listen it and enjoy it. Okay. Now let's start our story. Mittu was a parrot, a green parrot with a red beak. One day, Mittu was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. Mittu liked mangoes. I want to eat that yellow mango, he said. He flew down to the tree. Cow, cow, go away. This is my tree, said a voice. Mittu looked up. He saw a big black crow. Cow, cow, go, go, the crow shouted. He had a very loud voice. Mittu was afraid of the crow. He flew away and he went to the tree. Mittu saw a red balloon. It was under a tree. He had an idea. He picked up the red balloon. He was careful not to burst it. He flew to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Mittu went behind the tree. He pecked the balloon with his red beak. Pop! The balloon burst. It made a loud noise. Cow, said the crow, and he fell off the tree. Cow, cow, a big gun is after me, said the crow. He flew away. He never came back to the tree again. Mittu came to the tree. He ate the yellow mango. Yummy, yummy, what a nice mango, he said. He was very happy, clever Mittu. So, children, in this story, in Hindi you can listen this part like that कि एक मिट्टू नाम का एक पैरोट था तोता जो कि उसकी ग्रीन कलर का था उसकी रेड बीक थी एक दिन मिट्टू उड़ते हुए एक पेड़ पर बैठा जिस पर उसने देखा कि एक रेड येलो मैंगो लगा हुआ है और मिट्टू को ये मैंगो बहुत पसंद थे तो वो उसको जैसे ही नीचे उड़ा उस पेड़ तक पहुंचा तभी उसे एक आवाज़ आई काँव काँव तुम भागो यहाँ से यह पेड़ मेरा है तो मिट्टू ने ऊपर देखा तो उसे एक काले रंग का बड़ा सा कौवा बैठा हुआ नजर आया जिसकी एक मोटी सी आवाज़ थी लेकिन उसके बाद वो कौवा तो वहीं बैठा रहा पैरोट वहां से उड़ करके एक पेड़ पर पहुंच गया जब पेड़ पर पहुंचा तो उसने देखा कि पेड़ के नीचे एक रेड बलून है तो उसको एक आइडिया आया उसने उसको उठाया और ले जा करके पीछे से कौवे के पीछे उसको पॉप कर दिया यानी कि अपनी चोंच से उसको दबाया तो फटा और उसमें से आवाज़ आई कौवा डर गया उसने सोचा कि कोई बिग गन मेरे पीछे लगी हुई है और उसके बाद वो दोबारा उस पेड़ पर नहीं आया और उसके बाद उसने पैरोट ने वहाँ जा कर के वो येलो मैंगो खूब मज़े से खाया और इस तरह जो मिट्टू था वो कौवे से चालाक निकल गया तो आया ना मज़ा इसमें बच्चों आपको okay now let's come to the new words part of the story like here we have learned black is a kind of color crow mango and parrot now we will use these two words in a sentence form like I like eating a mango I like feeding a crow okay and you can make another sentence like that mango is yellow in color crow is black in color so in this way you can use these new words in many sentences now tell me the questions or the thing which you must know after listening this story is that what did Mittu see on the tree the Mittu saw a yellow mango on the tree what did the big black crow say? The big black crow said, "Cow, cow, go away. This is my tree." What did the Mittu see under the tree? The Mittu saw a red balloon under the tree. Okay, children? Now let's talk. Do you like eating mangoes? Everybody likes to eat. I also like to eat mangoes. Do you like green mangoes? Yes, because we can prepare achar like pickles and chutneys with the help of green mangoes. And do you like the yellow mangoes? Yes, yellow mangoes are juicy fruits, so we all like them very much. And so this is the next activity for you all. What you have to do is you have to only color the picture. And whose picture is this? This is the parrot picture. So you will use the green color as well as the red color in its beak. Like here, you can sing these two lines and you can find out very easily. Parrot with a red beak. Can you really speak? Okay. And if you join these dots, you will get a path of moving this ladybug from here one flower to the other. Okay, children, in the next part of this chapter, it is a very easy and interesting activity in which you have to match the fruits and vegetables to the trees they grow on. Okay, like banana, banana grow on the banana tree. Yes, coconut on the coconut tree, apple on the apple tree. Oh, it's very easy for you all because grapes on the grapevine and mango on the mango tree. Okay, and in the last activity of our this chapter is you have to draw over the dotted lines, okay, so that you can write the alphabets easily. It's an activity and then you can color it also. And then learn these words. BAT bat, BED bed, BIT bit, DOT dot, BUN bun. Now if you read under these headings like bat, cat, mat, bed, fed, red, bit, hit, pit, dot, hot, pot, bun, fun, run. Such words are known as the rhyming words because they are pronouncing with the same sound. Okay. Now choose a letter from the box and complete the words below. In the third unit, you have learned these 5 words A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Yes, and the half eggs of the chicks. And so what you have to write, you have to choose these alphabets and you have to complete the sentence word like sit. You can make it SAT set, you can make it SIT sit, PIG pig, yes PEG peg, BAG bag, DOT dot, SUN sun, FAN fan, LEG leg, SIT sit, LOT lot, and BUN bun. Means you have to only put all these alphabets in these two. And in this way your chapter is now completed. What you have to do is you must listen this story twice or thrice so that you can learn new words. Okay children, for the next video just wait for the unit 5 and till then thank you and goodbye.